This SL500 R129 chassis is going to need a new hood pad. Like so many of these, they're just getting too old and the hood pads are rotting away and falling on the engine. Now when you go to change a hood pad on one of these, you've got the challenge of getting these clips on and off without damaging them. Let me show you the ideal tool to get these on and off with. On this SL you have 14 of this type of body fastener which runs all along the front of the hood pad and holds it tight to the hood. Now you could get in here with a couple of flat-bladed screwdrivers and start prying away, but if you do it that way you're going to end up probably damaging these or dinging them up. But this is a tool right here which I found is the absolute ideal tool for removing these. Just come in right under the head of the pin and squeeze it a little bit like that. And once you get it hold of it, you can just kind of rock this, pinch, rock, pinch, pull the center pin out, and then the plug, just come in under the plug, squeeze, and pull the plug out. You can see how that works. And of course, when you go to put it in, it's just push and then push that in. So if you're careful when you remove these, I found that 80% of the time you can reuse them. Some of them are going to come out a little bit harder than others, but if you're just patient, you get that pin out and then pull the plug out. So you see how nice it is to have the right tool.